Alright, skid steer gelled up. What you're gonna need is take that bolt out so you can slide the radiator. There's 1, 2, 3. You can pull the radiator out. You can see that fuel filter looks like jello. Not good. So you gotta pull that plug off and then unscrew the filter. That bolt was a 3/4. So it was -20 here the other day. We didn't run it, but got some of that jello stuff in the bottom of the bowl there, got onto that filter. So we're gonna clean the filter, clean out the bowl, and throw it back together. All right, so we got this thing cleaned up pretty good. It's the bowl's a little discolored from trying to heat it up with a torch. But that screen inside there is the culprit. You gotta get that good and clean and then throw it back in there. So this clip is the hardest part. I ended up pulling it off of the thing because I couldn't reach the tab. There's a tab on the back side of it right there. You gotta push in to pull off. And that fuel still looks like crap. Sweet. Alright, so I just filled the bowl up with house. And that'll do. There you go. Off to the races.